Hi, I'm Jackson from Factory Sound, and today we're looking at the Li.LAC microphone disinfector. This unit disinfects up to 3 microphones at once with industry standard UVC light, which gets rid of 99.99% of germs, viruses, bacteria, that type of thing. It focuses its energy on the top or the basket of the microphone, with the rest of the energy tailing off down the body of the microphone. It can run a 5-minute or a 10-minute cycle. The studies that they've done show that it's very, very effective for the 5-minute cycle, the 10-minute cycle just being a safety cycle, effectively. These units are great for environments where you're sharing microphones. People can come off stage, they can just be thrown with their batteries even on in the disinfector, run a 5-minute cycle, and then be ready to use again, completely clean for the next person. This unit has the ability to disinfect both handheld and lavalier microphones and body pack. What you do is you can take this handy little plate. It comes with a nice spring that you can spring across to mount the lav mics and run a cycle with those.